Squats increase lower body and core strength, as well as flexibility in your lower back and hips. Because they engage some of the largest muscles in the body, they also pack a major punch in terms of calories burned. 12 benefits of squats. 1. Squats help build muscle. 2. Squats burn calories fast. 3. Squats help improve flexibility. 4. Squats help with mobility and balance. 5. Squats help strengthen your lungs and heart. 6. Squats can help prevent injuries. 7. Squats can maintain and improve your joints. 8. Squatting keeps bones strong. 9. Improves your speed and your ability to jump. 10. Postural improvements. 11. Squats improve digestion and circulation. 12. Improve your daily life and physical abilities. How to do squats. 1. Start by standing straight, with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and your arms at your sides. 2. Brace your core and, keeping your chest and chin up, push your hips back and bend your knees as if you're going to sit in a chair. 3. Ensuring your knees don't bow inward or outward, drop down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, bringing your arms out in front of you in a comfortable position. Pause for 1 second, then extend your legs and return to the starting position. 4. Complete 3 sets of 20 reps.